everybody, right now we are doing to repair the water leaking in the home.
Yay!
Yeah. So watch first to find a reason. Find a reason first. So let's go.
Go.
Prepare a ladder. Check. Now you see the water pipe a little loose, so making the water leaking. So we are doing to stop the water leaking. Now I see, oh, here a little wet. Right, here a little wet. So we use this. It's okay.
Yay! How?
여기 가서 봤어. very top. Okay. The cameraman heavy sort of too, right? Yes.
One more. No, it's true.
It's a naughty baby.
I like the funny part.
你小心不要掉下去。
Yes.
Okay, okay.
You know, it's done. So that's the DIY of Yuander Dad. And this is our Yuander baby.